good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching my video. I'm making this video because of this man over here called himself entrepreneur Nnabugwu. I'll come for you. I pencil. Alone. You said that you need head of mass in Nnabugwu. I don't know how much Nigeria government pay you. As far as my life, can't do anything. Biafrans, listen to me and listen to me carefully. I need head of Nnabugwu. If anyone can get Nnabugwu down, both courts, anyone in Southeast. Last time I checked Nnabugwu, I got in location at Lagos State. Transportation from here to Lagos State will not cost for what I will mention now. If anyone gets Nnabugwu down, 5 million naira. This is my first time to showing my WhatsApp line. My private WhatsApp line is that one you're seeing over here. I'll put my WhatsApp line there. Don't chat me for another thing. Chat me because when you already told me that you have got Nnabugwu down, I'll reply you. I want to see the picture of Nnabugwu. Got Nnabugwu down. Get Nnabugwu down. Anything that it costs to get Nnabugwu down, 5 million naira is for you. 5 million naira for head of Nnabugwu. 5 million naira. If I did not pay you, if you show me the picture of Nnabugwu when you got in down, don't show your face. Only show me the cost of Nnabugwu, where you get Nnabugwu down. 5 million naira is for you. If I did not do it, report you in my page that I'm a fraudster, I'm a liar. I need the head of Nnabugwu. Or if you cannot get me the head of Nnabugwu, got him down. Nnabugwu, you to entering Ghana, I didn't mean anything. You can stay in Lagos State. I will reach you. Or you can come in Southeast. Let me get you by myself. Anyone that's getting Nnabugwu down, 5 million naira. Nnabugwu, you are being too much for you. Please, Aye, Alora, Ghana, Ayes. Anyone can get me Nnabugwu down. All courts we have, get me Nnabugwu down. 5 million naira is for you. Any court in Nigeria, any court in Southeast, any court in everywhere, in Biafra land, whether you court or you belong anywhere or you don't belong anywhere, if you can get me Nnabugwu down, 5 million naira is for you. And also appreciate you for job well done. That's why I'm here now to making this video. My WhatsApp line is there, that one you're seeing over there, and this is the picture of the man I'm talking about here. Nnabugwu, 5 million naira for your head. I declare you wanted. Anyone that gets you down, 5 million naira Nnabugwu.
You see, you see idiot that is running away. Bingo, we were in Osu. You, what pursued you from Osu? The chick was say you are threatening is from Osu. He was in Osu. What we came to do for you people? Yeah, you know they go Lagos again. You know they go Ladipo again, go say spray pass where na person want go do am for you. Useless cow. So you think na you the eye person. Now you come up off of your son. When do we, you, me and you, people, puta, stop running away. You and B44, but I know they run. When do you people want us to do it? When we went to Osu, we passed through your campsite now. You know, your native doctor told you that he saw vultures hovering around your head. Chigozie will be that vulture hovering around your head. And dog at Ishi, Anumpama. See Okuku that keeps running away. This is how many times you escaped. The next time you will not escape. You think this one is stealing people's vehicles or attacking people that are not that alert? In Azai person, Yeremunushi, Keke mechanic. Now these people now they can carry gun give na them. Now Chigozie be the first person who talk am. Me self I talk am. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu will be by. They will hang him for his evil, and you too, you go buy too. In a million. Put like Kembosi Choria, when do you want it? Hey, this is happening. Think Israel is hiding from one forest to another in Israel. Telling you no useless. Put up. In Wedike put up. Can you come out? Can you come out and be talking this rubbish? What for you also?